Pero I
Yes,
was so
yes.
happy because I was able to
Yes.
hit the
Oo. Yes.
both parang
Both, yeah.
spectrum of
Yes.
the society.
Yes.
Ayun. So pagbalik ko sa Netflix, tita, nung nag-meeting kami, the treatment was different.
Yes.
So nung una, isa lang sumulubong sa akin, ngayon dalawa na. Tapos
Yes.
malaki na yung boardroom.
Entourage.
Tapos ang liwanag ng buhay. May
Yes.
confetti. Hindi, wala na confetti. Excited na lang ako.
No.
Tapos sabi niya, Alex, thank you. Bilib na bilib sila. And then, they offer me another project.
Great.
No, sabi niya, sabi ko, can you make it global? Yes, approve ka agad.
Nice.
We're going to add sa budget yung initial payment mo. We're going to add another payment para dun sa global. And then, tell us what your plan. Sabi ko, I want another Netflix. Approve. And then, I want another one. Approve. So, yun.
Galing.
So, yun.
Galing,
Isa rin kasi sa mga goal ko is to have the comedians eh. So, what I did, tita, was during the recording of my Netflix, yung show ko kasi is live. I did not tell the audience that it's going to be recorded. They paid then. Parang parang live, parang concert.
Yes.
Ni-record ko, wala akong sinabihan na nagsama din ako sa lineup ng 11 comedians.
Ay,
Ni-record ko sila.
Galing.
Ngayon, in hoping na magagamit ko yun pag nagustuhan ng Netflix.